Alright, today we have an unboxing video. This is a video I've been waiting for I don't know how long. DJI AVATA 2. I'm so excited I can't even talk. So we're gonna do an unboxing on this one here. And just wanted to show the other drones. I have the DJI Neo. And this one, you're able to fly it with the FPV controllers with this one here. I have the RC controller as well. And then I have the Mini 4K with the RC1 controller. Alright, so I pulled up the FPV controller for DJI. We've been flying the simulator, which has been very, very fun. But let's go ahead and open this up. Still has all this tape and stuff. And I am excited to open this up. Comes with the bag. This is the Fly More combo. I also got the Fly More combo for the Neo and the Fly More combo for the 4K. I really suggest doing the Fly More combo just for the simple fact that it comes with the extra batteries, so you are able to fly the drone a lot more. I have 4 batteries for this drone here, 3 batteries for the Neo, and this comes with 3 batteries. So what's pretty cool, it comes with a bag, and we'll open this up. And I have my boy here, Chris. He's a fellow drone operator as well. So I just wanted to wait for him to open this up because I know he's excited. My boy Jimmy is here.
Let me just say, I appreciate it for you.
Oh, for sure. Thank you, brother.
Because I've been excited for this just as much as you have. So shout outs.
We are here at a car meet that we are hosting. I'm very big in the car community for the reason I am getting these drone stuff for my canyon rallies that I host. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Looks like there's stuff in here. We'll get with the little stuff first. Oh, it has propellers, the instructions, the stickers. Oh, yep, the stickers. The little tools, the propellers, little repair kit.
I think they're props. Yeah.
Oh, I think these are like protectors. Let's open this up. All right, so heck yeah, this is the first time I'm actually being recorded unboxing something. My boy here took over the camera. So it looks like it comes with a USB to C port, little protectors for the motors, I think, and maybe a little cover plate for the goggles. All right, so it's for the goggles. Okay. All right, so here is the drone itself. Oh, it's actually bigger than I thought. It's like Christmas, boys. All right, so here it is. Holy smokes! Just kidding. You imagine? Damn, this thing is dope. Oh man. So it comes with 1 battery here. Don't know exactly how you break this off. We're not gonna do it just yet. But let's compare it next to the Neo. Wow. That is tiny compared to this one. Sweet. So let's see what else comes in the bag. We have the goggles here. Let's bring out the goggles. I can never open up this little bags that they send. I always end up ripping them. This one actually opened up. Sweet.
My name is Melanie. I just opened up the new thing.
Oh, nice. And it has, those are the little covers that come in the thing. Oh, okay, so that must be a kit for the goggles itself. There is controllers here, so you could adjust the eyes to your length. The antennas. It has the controller here, the button there, and I think that's it. That's pretty dope. And I think this has an option so you can actually see through the goggles, so you don't have to be taking them off. And then this is updated so it's nice and soft. And I think someone said it has like a defogger option as well, so that's pretty cool because I'm always be sweating. And it comes with an extra little pad. That's probably just for this here.
Whose is the Gray 5-0?
so it's just not hitting everything. Oh yeah, perfect, sweet. All right, and here we have the controller here, the motion controller. Forgot about this guy. Comes with a lanyard. Heck yeah. And here's the motion controller button. Don't know what they all do, but we will figure it out. Oh, that's the power button. Sweet, and the little lanyard. Heck yeah. We'll put all this stuff together. The lanyard I'm gonna stick in here so I don't lose it. And here comes the batteries. I'm surprised I didn't rip none of these bags. Sweet. And I love this freaking charging port. It looks pretty awesome. Batteries are pretty massive. One thing I suggest, don't use aftermarket batteries. Use DJI batteries only. You never want to use you never want to use aftermarket batteries on DJI products, especially products that fly. I've had a couple of drones that have crashed. They just fall out of the sky. So this is just something I've learned from experience. So OEM DJI batteries only. So yeah, so this comes with the 3 batteries. The third battery is in the drone. So let me get all these bags out the way, and there we have it. There is our freaking drone warfare setup there. We have the Mini 4K with the Fly More, 4 batteries, RC1 controller. I thought that one was going to be able to fly the Neo, but it's not. The Neo is only capable of flying with the RC2 and 3. We have the goggles, the extra batteries for the Neo, the AVATA 2, the FPV controller, and the motion controller. Heck yeah. I'm excited for this. I feel like this drone here is really going to take our drone experience to the next freaking level. I'm excited. I got the backpack already for it. The Neo fits in here perfectly. The batteries fit in here perfectly. Like, this bag legit was meant to be for this. The only thing that sucks is my Mini 4K don't fit in here. Otherwise I'd be set, but that's pretty dope. RC controller has its own little spot. The goggles has its own little spot. That shit is dope. And it's good to go. The controller we'll have to stick somewhere on the side. I know it has bags on the side. It has a laptop bag too. We can stick this one here on the side. And yeah, I already got a bunch of little accessories for it. I got some bumper guards. This one look pretty good. They just slap onto the drone and they're just rubber, so it just absorbs the impact. There's actually a little cushion space here, and that is going to be absorbing the impact before it actually hits the props or the shell around it. Yeah, I'm excited, man. I cannot wait to fly this drone and get it going. But that's the unboxing of the DJI AVATA 2. Yeah, I can't wait to fly it. Yeah, I'm fucking stoked. I wish I could go fly it right now, but I don't think right now is the perfect conditions to fly that. I'm sure I can, but I just don't want to fuck it up just yet. But we'll get home and we'll set it up. We'll get the insurance on it, and that way I feel a little bit safer in case we crash it, because with the insurance they're able to replace it, they're able to fix it to little or no cost to you. So if you get this, buy the warranty. Once you activate the drone with DJI, it will ask you if you want to sign up for the care program. Sign up for the care program. I don't know how many drones of these I've replaced. It's so worth it. How many drones have you crashed?
I crashed 1.5.
1.5.
I need to do that. You're telling me to. I haven't done it. It's my fault.
And then if you just recently lost your DJI Mini Pro 3, right?
And the 3, yeah. So
the Pro.
I was.
If you had the DJI Care program, you would be able to get a replacement for free.
Exactly.
Well,
So,
not for free, but with the
with
the
that,
down payment that you have to make.
Yeah. So people don't lose your drones out there.
Yeah,
It's expensive.
yeah, they are. They are. I've for this remote, This remote here is 200 plus this DJI Fly More is 1,003. So you're looking at 1,500 right here, easily.
700, so it's like, you know the scale.
700 for his Pro.
A $700.
The Neo was 300. This one was, I think, 250 or 300 as well, because it's the Fly More. So you know it gets pricey pretty fast. But it's so worth it. I can't wait to fly it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.